Hello everyone. Now today we are going to perform an activity. Aim of this experiment is to study the properties of acid, that is dilute hydrochloric acid, by their reaction with litmus paper. We will test it with both litmus paper, red as well as blue. Then we will do the reaction with the zinc metal, and then we will test it with the solid sodium carbonate. Let's discuss some theory related to this topic. Here we will use the acid. Acid are the substances that give the H positive ion in a solution, and this H positive ion is responsible for every reaction of the acid. Now the material required to do this activity are test tubes, test tube stand, solid sodium carbonate, dilute hydrochloric acid, candle, lime water, matchstick, zinc metal, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. Now let's start the first part of our activity, in which we will test the dilute hydrochloric acid with the litmus paper. For that I am adding dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Now I will test this dilute hydrochloric acid with the blue litmus paper. Now I am going to dip this blue litmus paper in the acid, and see the blue litmus paper has changed its color into red. Now next, see the effect of the dilute hydrochloric acid on the red litmus paper. For that I am going to dip this red litmus paper in the dilute hydrochloric acid, and it will remain same. It means the dilute hydrochloric acid turn blue litmus paper into red, but it will not affect the red litmus paper. So this proves that the hydrochloric acid is a acid which have the pH value less than 7. Now let's do the second part of our activity, in which we will see the effect of the dilute hydrochloric acid on the zinc metal. For that I am adding small pieces of the zinc in the test tube. Now I will add dilute hydrochloric acid in the test tube. Now see the test tube very carefully. Small bubbles are arising from the test tube. This will represent the colorless, odorless gas, that is a hydrogen gas. We can check this gas by the pop sound. For that I am holding this test tube in the test tube holder. Now I will burn a candle. Now to test the hydrogen gas, I will bring the candle near to the mouth of the test tube. Now have you heard the pop-up sound? This pop-up sound confirmed that the colorless, odorless gas arising in the form of the bubbles from the test tube is a hydrogen gas. Now let's do the third part of our activity, in which we will see the effect of the dilute hydrochloric acid on the solid sodium carbonate. For that I will take one bottle which have one outlet on it, in which we will do the reaction, so that after the reaction, if the gas will evolve, then that gas will come out from this outlet. Now in this bottle I am adding solid sodium carbonate. Now in this solid sodium carbonate I will add this hydrochloric acid Before that, I am adding our lime water in the test tube. See the initial color of the lime water, it is transparent. Okay. Now in this bottle which have the solid sodium carbonate, I am adding the dilute hydrochloric acid. At the outlet of the bottle in the test tube having the lime water, so that if the gas will be evolved by the reaction between the solid sodium carbonate and the dilute hydrochloric acid, it will be enter into the lime water. Okay, can you see the gas is coming from the outlet of the bottle, due to which the lime water has changed its color. Now it become milky. So this proves that by the reaction between the solid sodium carbonate and the hydrochloric acid, the carbon dioxide gas will be evolved, because only the carbon dioxide gas is able to turn the lime water milky. Now what we have concluded from this activity, that acid will turn the blue litmus paper red, but it will not affect the red litmus paper. And when there is a reaction between the zinc and hydrochloric acid, the colorless, odorless gas will be evolved, and that gas is a hydrogen gas. And when we do the reaction between the hydrochloric acid and solid sodium carbonate, a gas, that is a carbon dioxide gas, will be evolved, and that turns the lime water milky. I hope this activity is clear to you and you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much.